How to ensure that quotation given to you by the other party is correct. In previous videos, we discussed how to choose the right supplier and how to choose the right machining process. In addition, this video will continue to introduce you to the importance of quotation from these 4 aspects. This is Longwang and Patricia. Let's go! If you want to get the correct quotation, the most important prerequisite is that the customer needs to provide as clear and detailed basic information as possible, including detailed engineering documents, 3D models, quantity requirements, and delivery requirements, and so on. With more basic information, you can make the quotation more effective and avoid wasting customers' time. The quotation for a project is the most intuitive reflection of whether the detailed cost structure is reasonable. For example, materials costs, processing fees, taxes, freight, and so on, and verify the brand and specification of the materials, and make an assessment based on the complexity of the project's machining, the machining tools required. After you receive your quotation, regardless of whether the price perfectly meets your expectation, you should continue to have technical exchange with supplier and business personnel to check whether the supplier truly understands the drawings and requirements, and whether the supplier has optimized the design to reduce the costs. This will help you to get the correct quotation. Balance price, quality, delivery time, and service. The lowest price is not necessarily the best solution. The supplier's quality, stability, delivery punctuality, communication fluency, machining process, and solution-solving capabilities all need to comprehensively evaluated and considered. Since Longwang established its international business department, we have provided thousands of quotations. Therefore, we deeply understand that a seemingly higher quotation, if it comes from a supplier who can guarantee quality, reduce rework and delivery on time, will have a lower total cost than a low-priced supplier with frequent problems. So, a quotation reflects more than just a number. The professionalism and comprehensive strength of supplier can be reflected in a quotation. In order to help you avoid the pitfalls, Longwang, as an integrated industrial and trade company capable of handling various customer needs and providing solutions, has also summarized several quotation situations that you need to be vigilant about. A truly correct quotation is a starting point for customers and suppliers to reach a consensus and the basis for successful cooperation. A process that requires expertise and meticulous work units entrusted to a supplier who also possesses these capabilities. This is Longwang and Patricia. If you have any needs, please contact us. You can like, subscribe, and continue to follow us. See you next video. Bye!